Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I will be showing you all how I achieved this very simple top knot bun using leftover passion twist hair. You could use leftover passion twist hair or you could use new passion twist hair. It's your choice, but I'm showing you how to achieve this simple 2-step, 3-step easy top knot bun just using passion twist hair. So if you would like to know how I achieved this, keep on watching. So I'm starting on wet hair. I'm only using like 2 different products. I oiled my hair with my Gro oil, and I just massage it in my scalp. I'm not starting on fresh hair just because I just took my twist out and I just needed something to do to my hair really quick. And usually after I wash my hair, I'm not about to put all this gel in my hair for like a slick back. But the gel I'm using my Eco Styler gel. There's not really a specific Eco Styler I be using. I know that I mainly use the argan oil. I used to use olive oil a lot, but I haven't bought olive oil in a minute. And I be using the one in the clear, this one as well sometimes. But I am kind of heavy-handed with my gel. So I'm just putting my gel all around the perimeter of my hair. I work with wet hair like almost all the time because I feel like wetting my hair is more manageable than doing like dry hair. So yeah, and so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to put my hair up in like a high bun like I usually would. Pull some of my edges out. I usually do that like when I'm doing my hairstyle, just to pull them out a little bit. And so since I'm home from school, I do not have all of my hair products. Like my spray bottle, that's at school. Like I usually use it's this gel called BUN. I use that to like, you know, put it on the perimeter of my hair, you know, just to lay it down more because that's like an edge control. I usually use that. That's at school. So I'm stuck with Eco Styler, but it's okay because we're gonna make this work. Now, since I am doing a top knot bun with passion twist hair, I'm going to use some of my old hair that I just took out, and I was going to use you know, a pack of new hair, but I just decided to save that little hair. So I have some good pieces in here, and I'm just going to separate these, most of them, like all of them. I'm just going to separate them, and then yeah. And this is water wave hair. by the brand Freetress. Honestly, this might not be Freetress because I feel like this is not Freetress, but this is water wave hair. I got it from a local beauty supply store that isn't so local because my local beauty supply store has Freetress. And I just got some hair there, and this is how many inches? I forgot, but this is like the shorter length of hair. Have maybe 1 to 6 strands. That's honestly a lot, but I'm just going to make sure that, you know, none of the strands are perfectly lined up with one another. And I'm going to take a ponytail holder. You can take a ponytail holder or a rubber band. I personally do not use rubber bands in my hair. I'm just going to take the ponytail holder and I'm going to put it underneath the hair like so. And then I'm going to take one part over the other part like this. So you should have like one little loop like this, kind of like how hair is like in the packs of rubber bands, you know, when you get fresh hair. So I'm just going to take it like this, and I'm going to connect it to my bun. I just put it around once because my bun's already tight enough. So all I'm going to do is just wrap this hair around. Leave out some curly pieces if you would like. Just gonna play with it a little bit till I get it to my liking. Now I'm just going to go back over my edges and I'm just going to lay them, and then after that I'm just going to put my scarf around the perimeter of my hair, let that lay for a little bit, and then I will be back. So this concludes my simple top knot bun using passion twist hair. Literally, this hair blends in perfectly with my hair, and I feel like any of my natural girls would be able to, you know, enjoy this hairstyle, whether you have little hair, no hair, a lot of hair, whatever. This is just something fun and easy to do, you know, if you just want a different type of look to your hair. So I hope this video was very helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.